तो कल नारकंडा से 160 किलोमीटर ड्राइव करके हम पहुंचे सांगला में बंजारा कैंप्स। और क्योंकि बाहर बहुत अंधेरा हो चुका था इसलिए हम प्रॉपर्टी ज़्यादा एक्सप्लोर नहीं कर पाए। बट आई टुक अ शॉट एट एस्ट्रोफोटोग्राफी एंड आई थिंक आई डिड प्रिटी वेल फॉर अ फर्स्ट टाइमर। खैर ये तो थी कल की बातें। मेरी सुबह कुछ ऐसी हुई। When I stepped outside, it felt like I was at some Bollywood movie location. A beautiful cottage surrounded by apple trees and snow all around. As far as I could see, there was snow. And not to mention a river flowing nearby. It just checked all the boxes.
Last night we reached Banjara Camps, and it's a resort amongst apple orchards, so you can actually smell the apples. And the temperatures were pretty harsh, but we're going to go into much harsh conditions. We're presently at 9,000 feet, and the temperature dropped to around -5. And if it's visible through the video, you can see through my nose that it's already bloodshot red because of the weather conditions. But the hospitality has been really great here, though the pipes and the tank was frozen and we are not getting water in the taps. Hot water was arranged for all of us, all 25 members, so that our stay is comfortable. We're headed today to Nako, so we're already late. We are already starting up the vehicles.
मन तो नहीं था इतनी जल्दी जाने का, पर आगे भी बढ़ना था। तो आज का प्लान सिंपल था, drive towards Nako and spend the night at a homestay there. But before that, we went for a drive towards Chitkul since the drive is really nice during this time of the year. ड्राइव करते करते बात छिड़ी यहाँ के लोकल्स के लाइफस्टाइल और उनके सोर्स ऑफ इनकम की।
Officials who had come during
And with views like these, who wouldn't be happy? Chitkul is said to be the last village of India, but we couldn't explore it since we had to get back on track towards Nako. I guess this is a part of the journey as well. No matter how hard you try, you will miss out on something. So why not live in the moment?
So this tire hit somewhere on the rock on the way, and they noticed that the pressure is low, and that sound also started coming. So they stopped the vehicle, and then they're looking for what happened. And there is some crack on the tire. Looks like the tire needs to be changed. Yeah. So then we called the lead car. Then they came back with the compressor and all those things. Now Mr. Puneet is changing the tire. Yeah. So we're changing the stepney to this one.
Now these are the benefits of traveling with companies like La Himalaya. No, not that they'll change tires for you, but the support and assistance they provide. And also the insights they give, such as this stretch being a shooting stones prone area.
Come again, Rishipoor. Or like some rocks were falling from the hill. Okay, got it. Please be careful about.
We had a close call here, and if you're not careful enough, these stones can do some serious damage. So keep your eyes on the road and stay extra attentive while driving through these stretches.
For rocks on the road, over.
Keep rolling, guys. This bridge is okay for all the cars together.
Hi everybody, today we are heading to Nako, driving from Sangla. We just reached the petrol pump in Tapri, Powari, and we are just adding antifreeze so that the cars will start tomorrow. And we are running a bit late. We'll be stopping at Nako today evening.
We took a short stop here in Powari to refuel our cars and also add antifreeze to the fuel because we were expecting temperature to go as low as minus 12 degrees Celsius in Nako. फिर हम पहुंचे स्पेलो, जहां हमने लंच किया और फिर हमें मिले ये प्यारे पहाड़ी कुत्ते जिनको हमने लंच कराया.
Good boy.
If you're traveling to Spiti during winters, you'll find very limited places to eat on your way. So there will be times when you'll be having lunch at 5 like we just did.
careful, be safe, drive at your ease. मोर जो बोले हो आमाजी इनी मोरे निंदर गवाई हो आमाजी इनी मोरे निंदर गवाई हो सदिले बंदूकी जो सदिले शिकारी जो सदिले बंदूकी जो सदिले शिकारी जो दिए बला एता मोर मार गिराना हो दिए बला एता मोर